Okay, we proceed with a very formal ceremony now. We will be presenting the SOA Manifesto. I will mention all the names in a second, but some persons have already gone catching a flight. Okay. A manifesto is a declaration of principles, intentions and ambitions. It is a formal document that establishes a vision, accompanied by values and guidance for realizing those values in support of ultimately realizing the vision. Nearly a decade ago, thought leaders in the Agile community came together to produce a manifesto for Agile development. Agile development practices remain relevant today, and this longevity is a testament to the significance of the original manifesto declaration. Inspired by the Agile Manifesto, a dialogue began about 10 months ago about putting together a manifesto for service-oriented architecture and service orientation. This eventually led to the formation of the Towards a SOA Manifesto working group. The working group members and manifesto authors are, in alphabetical order by last name, Ali Arsanjani, Grady Butch, Tuvik Bubes, Paul C. Brown, David Chappell, John DeVedos, Thomas Earl, Nikolai Josutis, Dirk Kraftsik, Mark Little, Brian Lusken, Ann Thomas Mains, Joe McKendrick, Steve Ross Talbot, Stefan Tilkov, Clemens Utschik and Hermbjörn Wilhelmsen. Over the past few days here at the Second International SOA Symposium in Rotterdam, working group members have had extensive meetings with the firm goal of crafting the manifesto for SOA. I'm now very pleased to be standing here in front of all of you with the opportunity to announce to the IT community at large the result of these efforts for the very first time. SOA Manifesto. Service orientation is a paradigm that frames what you do. Service-oriented architecture, or SOA, is a type of architecture that results from applying service orientation. We have been applying service orientations to help organizations consistently deliver sustainable business value, with increased agility and cost effectiveness, in line with changing business needs. Through our work, we have come to prioritize business value over technical strategy, strategic goals over project-specific benefits, intrinsic interoperability over custom integration, shared services over specific purpose implementations, flexibility over optimization, evolutionary refinement over pursuit of initial perfection. That is, while we value the items on the right, we value the items on the left more. Guiding principles. Respect the social and power structure of the organization. Recognize that SOA ultimately demands change on many levels. The scope of SOA adoption can vary. Keep efforts manageable and within meaningful boundaries. Products and standards alone will neither give you SOA nor apply the service-oriented paradigm for you. SOA can be realized through a variety of technology and standards. Establish a uniform set of enterprise standards and policies based on the industry, de facto and community standards. Pursue uniformity on the outside while allowing diversity on the inside. Identify services through collaboration with business and technology stakeholders. Maximize service usage by considering the current and future scope of utilization. Verify that services satisfy business requirements and goals. Evolve services and their organization in respect to real use. Separate the different aspects of a system that change at different rates. Reduce implicit dependencies and publish all external dependencies to increase robustness and reduce the impact of change. At every level of abstraction, organize each service around a cohesive and manageable unit of functionality. This manifesto will be published at soa-manifesto.org within the next few hours. This website will also allow you to register as a signatory of the manifesto. I would like to encourage you all to become signatories to show your support for what the manifesto represents. Please join me now in congratulating the working group members for this very significant contribution to the SOA community.